So now let's work with videos inside of Adobe Spark. In order to import videos, I can click this plus icon right here, and over here you can choose video. So I'm going to click that, and over here under my first edit folder, I have my videos right here. So I'm going to go over here. I have my San Francisco video right here. So I'm going to import that out. So I'm going to press open. So you can import the video as long as it is MP4 format. So you can see that by default, it actually brings me a crop window. I can increase the crop window size into 4 seconds and 5 and so forth. But by default, it actually chooses 3 seconds. I can also, you can see that the camera is panning around. So let's say I'm going to leave it at default by 3 seconds right here. So let's say around 3 seconds or around 4 seconds right here till it pans out, it is going to be one section of the video. Once I do that, I want to add that video by clicking on save right here, and it is saving my clip and it is importing it on to my Adobe Spark work area. So now it has been imported, so I can actually play this around. So it actually has an audio to that as well, which I can actually edit and then remove that out if I want to. So now you can see that once I import the video, you got this option right here. So right now I only have first 4 seconds of the video. So I'm going to go over here, and here you can see that you can zoom in the video, you can trim the video, you can continue the clip as well, or you can work with the audio. So I'm going to go for continue the clip. So I'm going to click on continue clip, and let's see what happens. I'm going to press OK, I got it. So now it brings in the rest of the 3 seconds of the video for me. So I'm just gonna drag that out into around 4 seconds. So around 8 seconds right here. So around 4 seconds total. And I'm going to press save. So it's saving my video and turning that into my second slide. And that's done, as you can see right here. I'm going to continue the clip again. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to continue the clip right here, continue the clip, and that's 3 more seconds, and I'm going to press save, and there you go. So I got 3 slides right here, which continues all the way. So if I were to press play, it actually plays everything out. So I'm going to press play. Right, so everything plays out just fine. So let's say I want to add in some text over here, right over here, because first 4 seconds while this pans out, I left it out into 4 seconds, and now I'm going to go over here, and here what I can do is I can add in a text or an icon. So I'm going to go over here and write in something like welcome. All right, there you go. So that's the welcome right here. And over here I want to add in a slide, so I'm going to press plus, and I'm going to say something like feel at home. And over here at the end, let's say I'm going to edit this out. So I'm going to go over here, edit this, and I'm going to retrim this. So I'm going to go over here into trim, and it brings me back to the trim options. So let's say I'm going to increase its length right here. I'm going to press save. So it saves my clip right there. So now I increase its length. So let's say I want to add in more of the text right here. Feel at home, enjoy. All right, so let's see how that plays out. So you can see that that is how you can easily edit a video. So you can actually add in more videos as well. So I'm not going to do that over here. And let's say now what I want to do is I want to, let's say, remove the music. So I'm going to go into music. Let's say I'm going to disable the music right here. Let's see how that sounds. So there seems to be no audio in this case, no audio in this video. So everything is silent. But if there was an audio, what you can actually, you also have an option to actually work with the audio. So let's say I'm going to import a video with an audio right here. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go into video right here to show you how that will sound like. So I'm going to go over here into my let's say my tube, I'm going to go on to my edited files over here. So I'm going to go over here into my folder right here. Also over here you can see that there's my first edit, which actually has an audio right there. So I'm going to open this out, and it is going to bring in a clip right here. So this actually has a pre-recorded music. Yes, so that's it. So I'm going to just select this part out right here. I just don't want the candle part, so I'm going to just press C. So it actually has a background audio along with the video. So in that case, it also gives me audio editing capabilities. That is not actually editing, but we can control the audio levels right on the go. So if you have a video with narration or something, you can lower that volume down and add in the music later on. So over here, you have this video right here. This video has the audio. So let's see how that player sounds out. Okay, so over here, if you were to go, and you can see that there's clip volume. So I can go over here, I can make it loud. Right now it sounds soft, or I can mute it. And if I were to play it, it mutes out. So I can add in any other audio right here. Or I can go for loud, and it plays a loud audio right here. So another option that you have is to zoom out the video. So you have a volume option right here, you have the continue clip, you have the trim, and you have zoom in. So once you actually go over here, you can actually zoom in the video right here, just like this, and I can drag it around to give it a zoom effect. So I'm going to mute the audio in this case. So I'm going to just go over here, mute the audio, I don't want it, and I want a background music right here. So I'm going to add in leapfrog. That's it. So I'm going to use this audio right here, just like that, the default audio. And once everything is done, I'm just going to press the play button and see how that sounds. Right, so I'm going to press the play button now. And you can see that it actually is quite good. So you can easily create such videos by using Adobe Spark. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.